Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining and I'm up. As you can see, he's asleep. But I was watching this movie and I'm gonna run it by you guys because it's really, really good. I'm saying good morning, but it's actually afternoon. But the name of this movie, hold on, y'all, if y'all can see it. Try to see if y'all can see it. Let me go back. This movie is so good. It is called, hold on. It's called Mr. and Miss Loving, 1996, Leela Rashawn, Timothy Holton, and Ruby Dee. It is a very good movie. So I'm gonna let y'all see it again. So you can see right here. That's the name of the movie. Very good movie. I suggest it's a much watch movie. So guys, I don't have a lot going on today. He's gonna just probably sleep the whole day, and I'm gonna just probably go ahead on my own and do some things. But guys, look at my beautiful plant here, my Brazil. Look at her. She is thriving. Oh my gosh, look at her. She is thriving so well. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to think, am I gonna do a tea time today? I probably will, but not a lot going on. And thank you all so much that were talking to me yesterday. Well, not talking to me, but message me on here with your comments about the subject when I was mentioning people, using the term "living my best life." You all, for the majority of you guys, you understand what I meant, and I appreciate that. And that's how it was interpreted to me from a lot of people, and I didn't feel comfortable with it. And then also, I know it can mean a multitude of things. We're not talking about the good things, but those things that was very irresponsible and people being reckless, that's what I was talking about. So they were using it in those terms for that reason, and that's not a good thing. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And then also, guys, the doors here, this is another situation. I'm not upset. At the same time, I did take my time. I washed the doors down. I disinfect them. So what we're gonna do, he was saying, we'll try to see, because the same guy, he knows us both, take them back and see if he can let us exchange. So with that being said, if they let us exchange them, we'll exchange it for another regular door, like these here, or we will exchange them for something else. But that's what will be the right thing to do that I know of. But yeah, guys, I had a wonderful yesterday evening. We went over to one of the children's house yesterday, had a nice time, kiddos running around and all that kind of good stuff. But I want to show you also, I ate some food from over there, y'all, and my stomach this morning, I had to go, and I'm just being honest, I had to really go. But I had, it was not the two plates, but I had a plate of nachos with jalapenos, banana peppers, corn, lettuce. But it was basically the lettuce that I really don't eat. I don't eat iceberg lettuce, but it was good. I made a big burrito. It was really good. Mark didn't want to eat, but I did, even though we ate last night before we went there. But oh, let me show y'all. Look at y'all, look. This is what I did to the actual piece that I showed you that I hauled. I stained it with some stain. Look how cute that looks. So I stained it with this. I'm gonna put it in the bathroom, and then I'll probably throw in a picture of how that's gonna look, once I put it in the bathroom. Trying to see what else updates, and then I'm gonna get dressed, and then we'll probably head out, and I'll probably take y'all with me or whatever else goes on today. And then over here is the thing here. And what I was saying to you y'all, that looks so pretty right there. But what I was saying about this, I have a plant. I'll show you guys. I have a plant. This is almost going to be burnt out. But I have a plant in the kitchen here. This one right here. It actually broke off of this one here. This is a heart-shaped philodendron. So I'm going to be putting it in. I'm going to be putting it in here. So that's what I was trying to tell y'all yesterday. So yeah, that's it for right now. I'm trying to fill you guys in on other things. Let me see. The coaster I did place in the front room. I placed her here, but I might put it in the bedroom because he has a coaster on his side of the nightstand and I need one on mine. And the coasters that my daughter gave me, I'm gonna try to make a way to give them back to her without her feeling some type of way, because I don't need all that coaster. So here are the old coasters here, guys. These are my old coasters right here on the table that we got from Marshall's, and they're in really good shape and stuff. I don't need no more coasters, so I got her coasters by the door. I'm gonna put them in my car, so maybe when we get together again. I seen her last night and something told me to do it then, but I ended up forgetting. So guys, I'm gonna come back and we'll probably have a little quick tea time, and I'll be dressed by then. I mean, I'm fully together, but I gotta get all the way together. So I'll see you guys in the next part of this video. I'm being silly. Let me show you guys the dress that I was trying to show you the other day. Well, I'm trying to tell you guys about when I showed you guys the shoes that I bought yesterday. So here is the dress. She's really, really pretty and long. If you guys didn't, this is for the ones that didn't see. And then I'll show you what the shoes look like with her. So this is how the shoes look with her, really cute. And I'm gonna show you another pair that I think when I did the haul, I left out a pair of shoes that I did not show you guys that I hauled from those from the same Ben's place. So these are another pair that I hauled that I didn't show you guys. They're really, really cute. Hold on, let me get them together for you. They're real comfortable in cotton. Same thing, the cloth material with the cotton and the burlap. That's what they are. So that's what they look like. So I just wanted to show you guys. All right, we'll talk in a second. Love when we don't understand. Patience when we don't understand. Joy when we don't understand. Guys, even when we don't understand, choose love. Choose patience. Choose humility. Humble yourselves. Just choose the right thing. Choose love. Okay? From Second Chronicles chapter 5 all the way down to verse 13. So basically, guys, when they were having trouble, the trumpets and the singers joined in union as with a voice to praise and give thanks to the Lord, accomplished by trumpets, cymbals, and other instruments. They raised their voices in praise to the Lord and sang, "He is good, and his love endures forever." When the clouds filled the temple, it was filled with a big cloud. The glory of the Lord filled the temple. The glory of the Lord, which is love, filled the temple, and that was it. So guys, I'm just choosing, even in my own adult life, even when I was younger, no matter what we go through, you have to choose love. You're not just doing it for yourself, you're doing it for others as well. You're trying to create that calm peace around you, around your surroundings and everybody who you come in contact with. Just imagine if everybody does that. It would be a nice place to live, right? It will be good. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. It's not nothing big today. And I know a lot of people might not want to hear from the Bible, but still, love, I think, is one of those big action, words, and big things. So that's why I always say love yourself so that you'll love others, because if you do love yourself, you will be able to love other people. Go through this every day, y'all. So that is my tea time for today, guys. I will see you guys a little later. Love you all. Oh, so guys, I decided to just come on to the park because I was gonna go to the Dollar Tree because they have their floodlights out for the yard, and I was thinking like it doesn't even make sense for me to do that. I really was going to go to Dollar Tree to get some of the floodlights. I do have like 2 in the back. I will keep those, but I was pressing one of them down and it just cracked and smashed. It's so cheaply made, so I'm just gonna wait till I probably go to the bins or something to get the metal and glass ones. I think they'll last longer. So let me know what y'all think. Do y'all have, I like those lights from Dollar Tree, but they're just cheaply made. I wish they would do the metal and the glass some type of way. But yeah, I decided to come to the park, so that's where I'm at. Oh, I wanted to show y'all. I'm carrying my new bag today, my new black bag, like the gray one. So I got her today, and like I said, I got my daughter's coasters in the truck in case I run into her or something. I can give them to her. And then this here I found in the closet in the office. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom by the park, and somebody can have it. This is the one I got back from my mom, so I don't have no use for it, but somebody would be blessed with it. But yeah, guys, I came up with a solution. Remember the lamp that I said I posted on OfferUp? Guys, wait till I get home to show you guys where I put that lamp. I was just like, why didn't I think about that all this time? So I'll see you guys momentarily. Gotta get my 2 miles in. Hey guys, I'm finally back. I done did my walk and everything. Oh my God, y'all, it's so freaking cold outside. The sun is deceiving. It looks like it's warm, but trust me, it's not. It's like 30 degrees with wind blowing super fast. So yeah, if you look outside, it actually looks like, if you guys can see, it looks warm, but it's not warm. But let me show y'all what I decided to do with the lamp. Guys, I put the lamp here. Isn't that beautiful? I put the lamp here. I think it looks so much better. I had to think about this. This actually goes with the lamp here. So look at that. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it looks good. Hold on, guys. Oh my God, look at that. How that compensate one another. See that? So I like it. That's what I want to show you guys. And then I'm going to show you where I put the shelving for the bathroom. So let's go do that. And guys, I'm going to leave it. We're not doing nothing extra. He's still asleep. Look. And it is 5 o'clock, so I'm not waking him up. I'm letting him sleep, and I know he's gonna get upset, but I don't care because he needs to sleep. He needs to get that rest. So I don't think we're gonna be doing anything else today, guys. So I'm gonna close this video out, but I wanted to show you guys what I came up with the lamp, and also this beauty here. Y'all look at that. I like it. I like it. I really like it. What do y'all think? Isn't that cute? Look at that. So it houses a cologne, chapstick. This is a nightlight, my candle, and his cologne, and some other little stuff that was in here. So yeah, and I still have room. So yeah, I think it worked out good. So guys, I'm gonna close out this video. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be having for dinner, because I did put something on the stove since I've been here, and then I'm gonna close out the video because, like I said, we're not doing much because he's tired, and I like to be at home, y'all. I don't mind being home, chilling out. So yeah, so this is dinner. I have some potatoes and a bunch of different color peppers, yellow, red, green, and white. So I'm gonna let those continue to cook and saute, and that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, I know it wasn't much, but I'm just glad you guys chimed in just to see what we were doing, and that is a bunch of nothing, but it is okay, because I mean, hey, that's how it is sometimes. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget, love yourself. Yes, you right here, so you'll love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys. Bye.